Conversation between two friends on admission in college. Hey, have you decided on a college yet? Not yet. I'm still looking at a few options. What about you? I think I'll go to City College. It's close to home. That sounds good. I'm considering State University. Why State University? They have a great engineering program, and the campus is nice. That's cool. Have you applied already? Not yet. I need to finish my application. What about you? Yeah, I sent mine last week. Nice. I should hurry up and finish mine. Good luck with it. Thanks. You too. Thanks for watching. For more interesting videos, like, share, subscribe the channel.